We are going to cook Aglio Olio today. It is so easy to cook and they are delicious. We have here some minced garlic. Mince the garlic finely for a stronger garlic flavor. We will normally use 3 cloves of garlic per person. I'm cooking for 8 today. This is 1 bowl of chopped coriander leaves, the roots of the coriander, and 2 chopped chilli. We start by boiling a big pot of water. Add some salt and boil the spaghetti according to the packet instructions. We will cook the sauce while the spaghetti is boiling. Sauté the garlic using medium to low heat. We want the garlic to slowly release its flavor into the oil. Add just enough oil to sauté the garlic, but not too much. Keep stirring so that the sides do not burn. This is a very important step. We want to achieve the intense garlic flavor in the oil, but we do not want the garlic to brown. The garlic should be slowly simmering. If you see too much smoke like this, the oil is too hot and we have to lower the heat. Add the coriander roots. This is really optional. I would normally saute them together with the garlic as they can be very aromatic instead of throwing them away. When the spaghetti is ready, turn off the fire and reserve 1 cup of pasta water. We have been sauteing for about 10 minutes. The whole kitchen is now filled with garlic aroma. Add the chili. We are using big chili. If you like spicy food, you could use chili padi or chili flakes. Add the pasta water. And add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the spaghetti once the sauce starts to boil. How much pasta water to add and how long we cook the pasta in the wok will depend on the texture of the spaghetti before you add them into the sauce. If you like your spaghetti softer, you can add more water into the sauce so that the spaghetti can cook in the sauce. If the spaghetti is already at the texture you like, add less water and use higher heat to toss the spaghetti instead. Add salt and pepper to taste. We have to cook until all the pasta water is fully absorbed by the spaghetti. Finally, add the chopped coriander leaves, mix, and this is ready. I have prepared some garlic prawns to go with the spaghetti. Please watch my other video by clicking on the link in the description below for the recipe. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.